My name is José Daniel Mota González. I am from Sincelejo, Sucre. Study in UNAT Corozal Engineering of Systems. My experience in the city of Medellín. Mi experiencia en la ciudad de Medellín. One day I got lost in Medellín and lost the world afternoon. Este día me perdí en la ciudad de Medellín. Eh, the water in Medellín. The water in Medellín is very pleasant. Sometimes it's cool and sometimes it's hot and it rains too much. Recommendation for traveling to the city of Medellín. Um, 1. Plan job arrival is an avance. Mucho money, trae mucho dinero para gastar. Carry only what is necessary, traer lo necesario. Take except for rain and for shade for a lot of sun of rain. Traer abrigos si llueve o no llueve, o si hay sol o no hay sol. Very good. Thank you.